All right, welcome to the show, guys. Welcome to the show. Let's do this all over again. Obviously, I haven't been here yesterday, so apologies for that, but I'm here right now. So let's see how this goes on. I've invited a few people, so we're just going to wait for those people to come in, but doesn't matter. We're just going to continue with this conversation that we're going to have here right now. So the market's been doing a bit of a yo-yo for some time now, and I have mentioned this before. I said, look, guys, we're in the yo-yo market since like the when we started the 67, when we went to the 67k, basically. Since that time, I've been going on about this, how the market looks like a yo-yo. It doesn't seem to be acting exactly as it should, or doing, all of these crazy stuff. Now, obviously, the market looks great. Some of these coins have started to come back. We've got some new coins here as well. For example, Solo is a new coin. We can see some of these coins pumping. I mean, Curve pumping really hard, really good. But the bigger picture is something else, guys, and that's what I want to show you. So of course I haven't refreshed this. Let me refresh this. We've got 15,725 coins now competing in this market, and I see KR here. Awesome, my brother, nice to see you. So we see this happening here right now, but one thing that everybody's missing is that the fact that we're still down in this 7-day trend, right? If you look at some of these coins have bled so bad that it's actually even down 46%. Cardano 46% down over 90 days. That's a 3-month data. These are bigger numbers. So when you look at all of this, I mean, this is just ridiculous when you start looking at these numbers. That, okay, hold on, 7 days, yeah, we're bleeding. We might be up today 2% and 5% here, for example, but we're down. We are quite some way down on some of these ones, and it's just ridiculous when you start looking at these bigger numbers. They are bloody. I mean, look at this, 90 days, 40%. That's bloody. So the market is very, very bloody right now as far as I'm concerned. So I'm playing this market very cautiously. One of the things I am keeping an eye on is we mentioned about the head and shoulders pattern the other day, and we also mentioned the 200-day moving average and the 50-day moving average crossing over, causing a death cross, right? So we've seen those warnings, and I'm actually going to talk about a little bit about those ones as well. So let's just quickly just have a look at what's going on in the market. So we can see BTC playing around a little bit, everything else pretty much holding fairly strong. That's what I'm going to say, fairly strong, because they are not strong as you think they are. Because the bigger picture is something else. Of course, Luna's probably the only one that's been doing pretty awesome right now. Some of these coins are holding. For example, one is technically holding the line. Others have been pumping, but not as much as we want. Matic has come back to $2, which is awesome to see. Curve come back to $3, awesome to see. But this is nowhere near its all-time high, right? Nowhere near its all-time high. So we want to see this come back to its all-time highs, because listen, wallets are bleeding, right? Wallets are bleeding. So let's not be ignorant about exactly what's going on, because of course a lot of people have been destroyed. See, I've been here. Also, my brother, nice to see you as well. Now, let's look at the fear and greed. The last time I checked it, you won't believe this, and I'm not joking, I have not touched this computer or any computer or checked any charts or anything in the last 2 days. Been so busy. So the last time I did it was actually on the video. So let's refresh this and see what's going on. Let's refresh this and see what's going on. So we can see the market is starting to become a little bit positive. Okay, awesome. That's fine. There's no harm in that happening. Again, last time I checked this was when we remember this is 2 days ago, 15 BTC, the 2 days ago. So I haven't checked this. Again, I'm going to check this now. 4,761 BTC has left the exchanges. Awesome. Okay, that's great data to see as well. Again, gives us some sort of confidence in the market that, okay, it's been great. Again, guys, I want to double check these because I haven't checked any of this stuff. So let's see what's going on. Okay, so seems pretty awesome. BTC is definitely flying out. Prices are leaving and BTCs are also leaving, which is great to see. I mean, especially when you see this disconnect. I mean, this area here was bad, but when you start seeing this kind of complete disconnect, that's awesome. Awesome to see. Let's have a look at the open interest futures. See what the futures are doing. Playing with the price as soon as the price goes down, some people get liquidated, but it keeps on coming back. There's nothing we could do. I mean, this is just like leverage ratio. Look at this, the leverage ratio has gone back up again. I don't know. I mean, this has become a bit of a problem. Price dips and leverage just keeps on going up. People are super bullish. Of course, it's great to be bullish, but listen, we can be bulls and we can be smart bulls, right? You can be a bull and actually get yourself wrecked. Like, for example, let's refresh this as well, because none of this has been refreshed, guys. 40,000 traders got wiped out. Most of these traders in the last 6 hours have been longs. Again, we can be bulls or we can be smart.